Tokyo runs on speed. But just a couple of hours west, it exhales. Welcome to Okutama, where we drift not through gears, but through time. Less than 2 hours from central Tokyo by train or car, Okutama is a refreshing contrast to the city's skyscrapers and crowds. Nestled in the mountains, the region is ideal for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Highlights include hiking in the forest, walking or rafting along the Tama River, peaceful views of Lake Okutama, or exploring small villages and experiencing the slower drift of time. Tokyo Nature Drift. Okutama.
Hi, I'm Dean, and I'm in Okutama. Standing here under this tree, you don't just feel small, you feel temporary. But first up, let's go have some fun.
Okay, you're looking good.
Feels good, yeah. All right.
It's good, pretty cold. Whew. No longer can I complain about being too hot in Tokyo summer.
We're here by the Tama River that stretches over 130 kilometers through towns, valleys, and generations. This river once carried giant logs all the way to Edo, back when this was the city's lumber lifeline. And now, it's still a lifeline.
You ready? Yay!
Well, I'm not saying I'm scared, but I am respectful of water that goes faster than I do.
Only these days, the cargo is curiosity and adventure.
So next up in Okutama, I'm going to be enjoying the blessings of nature. I'm going to be foraging for wild vegetables. And I have a guide to do that with, and I heard he's a really interesting character. So let's go meet him.
A native of the area and a passionate advocate for Okutama's natural environment, Tsuchiya Kazuaki works as a nature guide, connecting the forests, people, and food.
こちら、結構食べられるものもあるんですけど、毒草、食べたらお腹下すとか、食べちゃいけないものもあるので、まあガイドが一緒にいて、分かるものしか食べちゃダメっていうのが基本で、こちら毒ダミっていうんですけど、これは漢方薬で10薬って言われて10個の効能があるっていう薬に使われてる葉っぱなんですけど、これだけの匂いしてるんで毒ダミは虫除けになる。
Nature's insect repellent. So this is yomogi, and you can make yomogi dango dumplings out of this. And it smells very minty and fresh. It's like nature's minty toothpaste or something. So we're back at Tsuchiya-san's house, and it's a 150-year-old kominka-style house. And it just feels like time drifts more slowly here. So we've got yomogi. So what do we do next?
これからこのヨモギを葉っぱだけ、わかめだけ取っていくんですね、こうやって。それからここで茹でて、で柔らかくなってからすり鉢で粉々になるまで。
I won't need to go to the gym today, will I?
でここからよく練ってください、こうやって。はい。
He says, "Okay, I think I've been beaten." Professional's hand and amateur's hand.
あ、うまいですね。はい、そんな感じになると。おお、綺麗。
いいね。
はい。色が良くなってくるんで、緑が濃くなりますね。
Really good. It's earthy, chewy, touch of sweetness. It's like the ultimate summer snack.
どうですか？
Oh, すごく美味しいです。ありがとうございます。Yeah, really good. I wanted to ask you, what makes Okutama so special?
はい。奥多摩町は 94% が森林なんですね。で、そこでガイドをしてるんですけど、伝統食、日本の昔からあるおじいちゃんおばあちゃんが作ってた伝統食を次世代に残したいっていうのがあって、で、普通にここら辺で食べているものをちゃんと地産地消だったり地産地消で自分で作ったものを提供して食べてもらうっていうのが自分がもうやってることなので、はい。もう次世代につなぎたいんですね、この食を。
素晴らしいです。本当に大事なことです。
Look at all this green. No vending machines, no temple bells, no Wi-Fi, just trees for miles, and that beautiful soundtrack of nature that only plays when no one else is around. Japan calls this Shinrin Yoku, or forest bathing. No towels, no soap, just you breathing in 1,000 shades of green. I've had a genuinely refreshing time here. Tokyo is a city that never stops moving, but Okutama teaches us to slow down, to breathe, to listen, and to drift. But not to drift to a destination, but to drift through moments. Moments with the trees, moments with the rivers, and moments with the people here that know how to live with nature.
Let the city rush. You've got time.